Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need iOS 14 or newer and an updated YouTube app. Otherwise, use Safari. Start playing the video you want, then press the home gesture or home button to send the player into picture-in-picture. If PyP does not start automatically, tap the player to reveal controls, then use the PyP icon or long press the video's play area in Safari to choose Enter Picture-in-Picture. Once done, you'll see a floating window you can move and resize while you continue using the phone. Now that your video is floating, drag it to any corner for optimal view and pinch to resize. This gives you quick screen real estate control. Tap the floating window to reveal playback buttons, a return to app arrow, and a close X. Use them to pause, stop, or send the player back to YouTube. If you want the screen cleared but keep audio playing, swipe the PyP into the screen edge so it hides in the dock. Audio stays on, and you can tap to restore the window. To finish, tap the X on the PyP to close the video, or use the return arrow to resume full-screen playback in the YouTube app. If PyP doesn't work, make sure PyP is enabled in settings right arrow general right arrow picture-in-picture, and that you're on a compatible iOS and app version. Safari often works as a reliable fallback. If issues persist, restart the app or device, and sign out and back into YouTube to refresh permissions. This usually clears stubborn PyP problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.